In 2013, Samsung introduced ISOCELL, an industry's first technology that isolates the pixels from each other by adding a wall-like barrier around the pixels. The name ISOCELL is a compound word made from the words isolate and cell. By isolating each pixel with a physical barrier, ISOCELL increases a pixel's full well capacity or ability to hold more light and reduces the crosstalk of light particles from one pixel to another. Samsung didn't stop there and went a step forward to deliver the same high quality even with sub-micrometer sized pixels, such as 0.7 micrometers. While the ISOCELL's wall kept the light photons from escaping to another pixel, the metallic grid